Edward Knight Cooper, master of illustration and posters art. Edward Knight Cooper was an American born artist whose innovative work in graphic design and posters art left an indelible mark on the visual culture of the 20th century. His blend of modernist aesthetic and practical revolutionized advertising and establishing him as one of the permanent designer of his time. Cooper was born on 14 December 1890s in Great Falls, Montana. He showed an early interest in art, which led him to pursue formal training. His early life was marked by a series of migration that would influence his artistic development. In 1910, he moved to San Francisco, where he enrolled in the Mark Hopkins Institute of Art. During this period, Cooper supported himself by working at a bookstore where he was exposed to a variety of artistic and literary influences. A pivotal moment in Cooper's life came in 1912 when he local art patron Professor Joseph recognized his talent and offered to sponsor his studies in Europe. In gratitude, Cooper adopted nickname as part of his own, becoming Edward Knight Cooper. This act symbolized the start of a new chapter in his life and career. Cooper's arrival in Europe coincided with a period of profound artistic innovation. He studied briefly in Paris at the Académie Moderne and was deeply influenced by the avant-garde movements of the time, including Cubism, Futurism, and Vorticism. This influence would later be evident in his work characterized by bold, geometric shapes and dynamic scenes of movement. In 1914, with outbreak of World War I, Cooper moved to London where he would spend the majority of his career. The warriors were challenging, but they also provided opportunities for Cooper to apply these artistic skills of practical ends. He began designing posters for the British government using his modernist style to create compelling visual propaganda. Cooper's breakthrough came with his work for the London Underground in 1915. He was commissioned to create a series of posters promoting travel on the underground. These posters were revolutionary in his use of abstract forms and vibrant colors to capture the imagination of the public. Cooper's designs were not just advertisement but works of art that elevated the mountainous act of committing into a aesthetic experience. Throughout the 1920s and 1930s, Kupfer's reputation as a leading graphic designer grew. He worked with major clients such as Shellmax, the Great Western Railway, and the General Post Office, among others. His posters during this period are noted for their innovative use of typography and photo montage, as well as their ability to convey complex messages with clarity and impact. In 1940, with the advent of World War II, Kupfer returned to the United States. He continued to work in advertising and design through the American market proved more challenging than the European one he had mastered. Despite these difficulties, he produced significant work for clients like American Airlines and the New York Subway Advertising Company. Kupfer's influence extended beyond his commercial work. He was a founding member of the Design and Industrial Association and a strong advocate for the role of design in everyday life. His work helped to define the visual language of modernism and set new standards for commercial art. Edward Kupfer passed away on 22 October 1954 in New York City. His legacy is preserved in the many posters and illustrations that continue to inspire designers and captivate audience. His ability to blend artistic innovation with practical application remains a benchmark in the field of graphic design. Kupfer's works exemplifies the power of visual art in transcendent its commercial organs and achieve lasting cultural significance.